Hi everyone, welcome to this powerful session. This is not just another motivational video. This is your wake-up call. This is a reminder that no one is coming to save you because you don't need saving. You need a decision. You need fire. You need to believe in yourself like your life depends on it, because it does. Life is too short to keep doubting yourself. Every second you waste wondering if you are good enough, smart enough, or ready enough is a second stolen from your destiny. The hard truth is, no one is coming to save you, not your friends, not your parents, not some magical moment of motivation. It's all on you. Your life is your responsibility. Your future is your duty. Your mind is your most powerful weapon or your worst enemy. I am not here to teach you a language only. I am here to wake you up, to shake your soul, to remind you that you were not born to live a small, fearful, average life. You were born to win, to lead, to conquer your mind and create a powerful life. You will achieve anything you want if you set your mind to it. Your mind is everything. Let's dive in. 1. The game of life. You are the player, not the pawn. Life is not a movie where you wait for someone to rescue you. Life is a game, and whether you like it or not, you're already in it. Most people don't play the game. They get played by it. They let fear, society, and excuses move them like pawns on a chessboard, but not you. You are the player. You are the one who makes the moves. You decide whether to level up or give up. Every move you make either builds your life or breaks it. Every morning you wake up, you're given a choice: stay weak or grow strong, stay the same or evolve, choose safety or choose greatness. No one gets to play your game for you. So take the controller. Own every decision, take every loss as a lesson, treat every challenge like a test, because when you play with intention, you win with power. 2. Become unstoppable. Mindset is everything. The difference between those who make it and those who break is mindset. The ones who rise above all odds don't have perfect conditions. They have a perfect belief. Your mind is your master engine. If you learn to drive it, you can go anywhere. If you let it drive you, you'll crash. Every single success story starts in the mind. That's where battles are won before they are ever fought. If you believe you're not good enough, your actions will reflect that. If you believe you're powerful, your energy will move mountains. You must protect your thoughts like a warrior guards a castle. Tell your mind who you are. Don't let the world do it. Speak power to yourself until it becomes your truth. Become so deeply in control of your thoughts that no failure, no doubt, no voice can break you. Because once your mind is unbreakable, your life becomes unstoppable. 3. Kill comfort. Growth only lives in discomfort. You say you want to grow, but are you willing to suffer for it? You say you want to change your life, but are you willing to leave your comfort behind? Growth is never comfortable. It's lonely. It's painful. It's hard. That's why so few people ever reach it. But if you want something more, a better body, better income, better mindset, you must step into discomfort. You must train when you don't feel like it. Study when you're tired. Show up when no one is clapping. Because comfort is a slow poison. It feels good today, but it kills your dreams tomorrow. The next level of your life will demand a new level of you, and you won't find it in comfort. You'll find it in the pain you embrace and the limits you push. So stop chasing easy. Start chasing growth. 4. Master your mind. Control your thoughts, or they will control you. Your thoughts are like seeds. What you plant today will grow tomorrow. If you plant fear, you will live in fear. If you plant courage, you will grow strength. Most people don't even know they're thinking negative thoughts all day. I can't. I'm not ready. What if I fail? These thoughts are quiet killers. You need to catch them, crush them, replace them. Learn to become aware of your inner voice and then make it your best coach. Train your thoughts to believe in yourself. Train your brain to search for solutions, not problems. Every thought you think sends a message to your future. Make sure it's the right one. Remember, you don't attract what you want. You attract what you are, and what you are comes from what you think. So control your thoughts and you control your world. 5. Destroy excuses. No more I can't. Excuses are comfort for the weak. They make you feel better temporarily, but they rob you of your future. I don't have time. I don't have money. I don't have support. These are all just soft lies. The truth is, if you want it bad enough, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. Stop trying to sound right. Start trying to get it done. The world doesn't reward your reasons. It rewards your results. Every time you make an excuse, you stay where you are. Every time you take responsibility, you move forward. You have one shot at this life. Do you really want to waste it explaining why you didn't try? Excuses are optional, so choose strength, choose responsibility, choose action. 6. Purpose over pleasure. Success requires sacrifice. Most people trade their future for momentary pleasure. They want to succeed, but they also want to relax, scroll, party, and waste time. You can't have both. If you want to be successful, you must live with purpose, not pleasure. Your purpose must be bigger than your feelings, because you won't feel like it every day. You won't be motivated all the time. But if your purpose is strong enough, nothing will stop you. Sacrifice comfort for clarity. Sacrifice fun for focus. Sacrifice now for later. Your results come from what you're willing to give up today, so you can have more tomorrow. Don't chase short-term happiness. Chase long-term greatness. 7. Break every limit. You are more than you think. You are not weak. You are not average. You are just unaware of your own power. The biggest limit in your life is your belief about what is possible. You can train your body. You can grow your brain. You can multiply your income. You can learn anything. But first, you have to break the idea that you can't. Every time you push a little further, your limit expands. Every time you go beyond what you thought was possible, you grow. Don't settle for enough. Don't settle for okay. Break the wall, smash the ceiling, and when you reach the top, keep climbing. 8. Create the life you deserve. Build your legacy. You were not born just to pay bills and die. You were born to create, to lead, to love deeply, to grow endlessly, and to leave something behind. So build your life like it's your masterpiece. Every decision, every habit, every day, make it count. The life you want will not come by accident. It must be built with purpose, with passion, with fire. What do you want your life to look like in 5 years, 10 years? What kind of person do you want to become? What legacy do you want to leave? The world is waiting, but it won't wait forever. Build the life you deserve before it's too late. No one is coming to save you, but the truth is, you don't need saving. What you need is a decision. A powerful, fearless decision to rise, to stand up, to take full control of your life and say, I've got this. You have everything inside you right now to become the person you've always dreamed of. But you must stop waiting. Waiting for motivation, waiting for help, waiting for a perfect moment that may never come. Control your mind, sharpen your focus, build unstoppable habits, speak life and strength into your future. The success you desire, the peace you dream of, the legacy you want to create, it's all possible. But it starts with one thing: you accepting full responsibility for everything from this moment forward. You are not powerless, you are powerful beyond belief. The day you stop doubting and start deciding, that's the day your real life begins. So go. Rise, break every limit, refuse to settle. Build the life you deserve, the life that's already waiting for you on the other side of your fear. And before you go, if this message lit a fire inside you, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to this channel. Because this is just the beginning. We're building a community of warriors, of doers, of unstoppable minds, and we want you in it. Your future is in your hands. Now go make it legendary.